The Licking River Lightning Curse, 1800s, USA. In the 1800s, nestled along the banks of the Licking River in Kentucky, a peculiar phenomenon began to unfold, a phenomenon that would become a mystery whispered about for generations. For reasons unknown, a small stretch of land near the river became infamous for being struck by lightning again and again, in what seemed to be a cursed pattern. It all started with a single, violent strike that left behind scorched earth and twisted trees. But this was just the beginning. As the years passed, people in the area began to notice something unsettling. Every so often, like clockwork, the spot would be hit again, always at a different time, in different weather conditions, but always with the same intensity. It was as though the very ground had become a magnet for lightning. Locals spoke of the curse with a mixture of fear and fascination. Some believed it was the anger of the gods. Others thought it was a supernatural force, perhaps a vengeful spirit tied to the land. The most persistent theory was that the spot was cursed, a place where lightning had been drawn for centuries. Over time, more stories surfaced, with tales of people who had ventured too close to the cursed spot, only to be struck by lightning themselves. In the late 1800s, after a particularly fierce storm, the area became almost uninhabitable. Farmers, who once relied on the fertile land, were forced to abandon their crops. The spot continued to be a danger, claiming lives, sparking fires, and bewildering anyone who tried to make sense of it. To this day, no one can explain why the Licking River's lightning curse continues to strike that same spot. Is it a strange quirk of nature, a magnetic anomaly, or something far more sinister? What we do know is that for over a century, lightning has made its mark on this one place, and the mystery lives on. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.